So we'll be tracking the developments in the Supreme Court on that story very closely. For the moment, let's get you the latest details from different states on the COVID crisis. Focusing first on Tamil Nadu, which has once again witnessed a huge single-day spike in cases, and this is for the third straight day. Over 2,700 fresh infections have been reported in the last 24 hours, pushing the state's COVID-19 count beyond 59,000. 37 deaths have also been reported in the state. Chennai recorded nearly 1,400 COVID cases again in the last 24 hours. The infections are not just restricted to the 4 districts that are under lockdown, but has also spread to other cities. A sharp surge in the number of cases has also been witnessed in Madurai, where the EPS government has now put a 7-day complete lockdown. Except for essential services, all other activities are now restricted in Madurai as well. Earlier on June 21st, Tamil Nadu had rolled back all relaxations in Chennai as well as 3 adjacent districts, that's Kanchipuram, Chengalpet and Tiruvallur. Shalini Lobo is joining us live this morning with the latest details. Shalini, good morning. Numbers that are coming in from Chennai still very worrying at this point. But perhaps in the coming days is when we'll see some sort of an impact of the lockdown and whether this relock plan has actually worked in certain districts' favors like Chennai.
Good morning, Akshita. Well, yes, the impact of the lockdown is to be seen probably, hopefully, after 10 days. But Chennai has been seeing a spike in cases, almost over 1,000, for the last 2 weeks. Even in Tamil Nadu, the number of per day increase is on the rise. Per day spike is on the rise, with the state recording 2,700 and odd cases in the last 24 hours. The current number of cases in the state, as per the state government, has crossed 62,000. It stands at 62,089. So a very worrying situation for Tamil Nadu, with 5 districts now under lockdown. Madurai is going into lockdown into the early hours tomorrow till the 30th of June. So that makes it Chennai, Kanchipuram, Chengalpet, Tiruvallur and Madurai, which will go into a complete lockdown. The Chief Secretary has also written to the district collectors saying that they have to focus on their districts. They have to focus on the hotspots, the clusters. Increased testing has to take place. They also have to identify the source, the floating population. The vulnerable population in congested areas will have to be moved out. And of course, people have to be monitored. They have to be reiterated and reminded that they have to wear a mask and maintain social distancing. Several district collectors have taken it on themselves, such as the Tirupur district collector, who has put in a rule that they will be fined. People will be penalized if they're not wearing a mask and if they're spitting in public. So now the onus is on the people, with the increasing pressure of the rising prices, to ensure that they stay indoors and follow protocol in place.
All right. Shalini, thank you for joining us with those details. So besides 4 districts now, in Madurai also there's a lockdown. However, in Madurai it is only for 7 days.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.